Hello, good afternoon everyone. This is again Jane, your friend, and welcome back again to our channel. Today we are going to make baked chicken with yogurt and kidney beans. And this is already the chicken that I already washed a while ago. I rubbed it with lemon and with salt. So the marinade that we are going to use is 2 cups of yogurt for this much, around 1 kilo, more than a kilo. Paprika, just salt, and basil. As you all know, basil is very good for those dishes that has soup. But this is also very delicious or very appropriate if you put it to your roast or baked dish. Pag hindi nyo lalagyan ng ginger, any dish that you don't put ginger in it, you can put basil. This is actually very good. It's very aromatic, and it's also considered as an antioxidant. It's also cancer prevention, and this one will actually break down the fat or the oil that goes down into our body. If the salt, that's why huwag tayo maglalagay ng maraming salt. That's why doctors are preventing us from putting a lot of salt in our dishes. It's because salt retains fat or oil in the body, while this will break down the fat para po hindi siya kakapit sa loob ng ating katawan. So basil is also very good. Just put it in here. I just soaked it in water for around maybe 5 minutes or so. Put a lot. I want to put a lot. And ito, kukunti na lang ang natira. We only have a little basil. I have to buy more. And then just put salt. I'm not going to put lemon anymore because anyway I already washed this one with lemon. And then paprika. It's just like making chicken paprika because we are putting paprika. So we call it chicken paprika. But since we are baking it and we are going to put yogurt, yogurt is also very good. Actually, this has probiotic and it's also very good for us. We use a lot of yogurt at home. We use it for baking, for making cheesecake, for smoothies, because yogurt is actually made from pure milk. So it adds calcium to your dish. Although, of course, dahil iluluto natin because it's being cooked, there's a tendency that the calcium content of it will be reduced. But it's still okay and still very good to add it to your dishes. So I'm going to put it now here. We will marinate it with a lot of yogurt. You have to mix it properly so that all the marinade will be incorporated. I love using my bare hands. As I always tell you, it is the best tool in the kitchen, your bare hands. And don't worry because I washed my hands the other day. So it's certified clean. Okay, so this is now the chicken that's already marinated. I already marinated it for almost more than 4 hours na ito. Kasi I marinated it this morning. And ito naman po ngayon yung ating beans na sinoko yesterday. Overnight siyang a while ago, I was always telling basil, pero bay leaves po. It's bay leaves. Bay leaves ang ginamit natin, hindi basil. Kasi yung basil kasi, wala na akong halaman kasi, syempre pag winter, hindi sila makasurvive sa malamig. Eh, hindi rin sila makasurvive sa loob. So, we just put all our beans. And then we will bake this for 1 hour in 350 degrees oven. By that time, maluto na rin. Okay? So, yan, dahil nasinok natin yung beans, nag-expand siya, mas madali siyang maluto. So, pwede mo itong idilig sa halaman. Okay, so this is now our salad. We already have our lettuce here, our cucumber, and our cherry tomatoes. And then you just add our pomegranate. Pomegranate is kind of fruit that is so rich in protein, antioxidant, vitamin C. It's very good for the heart, for the digestive system. Ganito lang pa ang cut nito. Kung kulangin pa tayo, cut lang ng ganyan. I do not know the taste of this until my daughter hooked me into it. Yung daughter ko pa ang laging bumibili noon. Hindi ko man lang pinapansin, pero when I tasted it, it's so good. And it's so good for the heart and for the blood. If you want more, you can just open it like that. Papa, apa ada kaso di Pilipinas? Dati pomegranate? Granada? Ay, Granada. Di ada nga matlan di Pilipinas. Oh, meron daw pala sa Pilipinas, pero hindi ako nakatututa. Okay, anyway, I'll just wash my hands and then we will just do our dressing. It's so yummy. Papa, apa ada kaso di Pilipinas? Dati pomegranate? Granada? Sa balimot aja. A little salt. Little honey. Madali lang po itong gawin. Napaka-simple. And then, apple cider vinegar. 2 tablespoons. And a squirt of lemon juice. Ganyan lang po. Yun lang po ang kasimple. Kung gusto nyo pong ilagyan ng olive oil, you can add olive oil. Pero most of the time, ganito lang aming salad dressing. You can add mustard if you want. This avocado is so good. So after 1 hour, here now is our baked chicken with yogurt and beans. So this will be so yummy, my dear. Try to do our baked chicken with yogurt and beans, kidney beans, and then our pomegranate and avocado salad with tomatoes, cucumbers, and lettuce. So come on guys, try this, especially this chicken. Instead of doing the usual carrots and potatoes, try yogurt and beans instead. It will be very good and very delicious for you. Okay? Let's eat and thank God from whom all these blessings flow.